Hi, I am Dr. M. Ashok Kumar, Chief Dental Surgeon, co-founder of Elident Hospitals, Hyderabad.
Hi, I am Dr. M. Charan Kumar, Chief Dental Surgeon and co-founder of Elident Hospitals, Hyderabad.
Hi, I am Dr. K. Rangarai, prosthodontist and implantologist at Elident Hospital, Hyderabad.
Hi, I am Dr. Santosh, oral and maxillofacial surgeon and implantologist at Elident Hospitals, Hyderabad.
Hi, I am Dr. Vijay Chinta, root canal specialist at Elident Hospitals, Hyderabad.
Started in the year 2017, Elident International Digital Dentistry is a group of dental clinics in Hyderabad with branches in Kondapur and Kukatpalli. Our hospitals are established with state-of-the-art infrastructure with cutting-edge technology to provide finest services. Elident hospitals are designed with extensive attention to detail. When you enter lobby, you will immediately feel the welcoming, calm and stress-free environment. We understand that many people fear visiting the dentist. That's why our team takes an extra steps to make your visit as comfortable and pleasant as possible. We even have a pool table and massage chairs for the patients and their families to relax.
Unlike traditional practice, we have dedicated surgical suites for different procedures to optimize the patient experience. Even the most anxious patients can relax and feel great while lying in our ultra comfortable dental chairs, which comes with a self-disinfection system. Our dental chairs are also fitted with the latest intraoral cameras, which clearly depict the mouth, gums, teeth and all its anomalies, and they also come with a chairside HD monitor which allows the patient to be aware of the process in real time. Digital X-ray machines at our hospitals are most technologically advanced that deliver more secure, precise and quick results.
In Elident Hospitals, we have the special software called Galileus Implant Viewers. So patients who are going for implant treatment, where we can plan the implants in the software itself, which will be easy and clinically when operating the patients, it will be very less time taking, so that we'll plan the implant placements before the surgery only. So based upon this software, we'll plan the implants to the patients. So this is one of the best good features that we have in Elident Hospitals.
Our hospitals are equipped with the best sterilization system like Class B sterilizer, ultrasonic cleaner and are sanitized regularly. Post-treatment, the patients can even collect the medicines from the pharmacies situated in the hospital itself.
Our USP is single visit dentistry. With our up-to-date technology, 90% of the dental problems can be done in single visit. Some of our major treatments include dental braces and aligners, root canal treatments and zirconium crowns and graphene crowns, dental implants, teeth gap treatment, smile correction with digital smile designing, zoom teeth whitening, pediatric dental treatments, and many more cosmetic dental treatments. As patients enter Elident Hospitals, they receive a warm welcome from our reception team who make them comfortable in our lobby. As the file is created for the patient, they undergo disinfection and are sanitized. A specialist doctor attend to the patient, understand their problems and diagnosis further for a thorough inspection. If necessary, an X-ray will be taken to identify the irregularities or other problems which are not seen orally through the naked eye. The patient is then called to a conference room where the doctor explains the cause of the problem and provides the treatment options. With approval from the patient, the doctor performs the relevant treatment most precisely and securely with the state-of-art infrastructure and equipment at Elident. Once the treatment is done, the patient is counseled with post-treatment dental care. And also we have in-house pharmacy where we can provide the medicines for the patient. The entire journey of the patient from entry to exit at Elident Hospital is designed to make the patient feel warm, comfortable and stress-free.
We are very clear when it comes to our communication with our customers. Our patients are our top priority and we try to help them as much as possible in terms of giving the best treatment and also suggesting them with different options on their budget and their financial status.
India being one of the most affordable countries for healthcare attracts a lot of medical tourism. Elident Hospital, with its great infrastructure and affordable dental care, has become a preferred destination for international patients. Every month, we see a good number of international patients visit Elident hospitals and get treated for their dental problems.
Hi everyone. I came here today because my kids broke my teeth, the front teeth. So I was really depressed and I was looking for help and the guys were able to help me. So they built my teeth, also they built my another teeth, rebuilt. And every whole treatment was without pain when I'm afraid of dentists. So they did everything without pain, without injection. Also I'm pregnant, so I put my full trust for them. And they fixed everything in the one day. Within one day they built new teeth, 3 new teeth within one day. So I'm very happy and I'm recommending you guys to everyone.
హలో హాయ్, నా పేరు అన్నపూర్ణ అండి. నాకు ఈ హాస్పిటల్ 3 years ముందుగా తెలుసండి. మాకు ఆన్లైన్లో చూసుకుని 3 years బ్యాక్ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాము, రావడం జరిగింది. మా సిస్టర్ కూడా ఇక్కడే ట్రీట్మెంట్ చేశాను. ఆవిడకి పళ్ళు పెట్టారు. ఆవిడ సో హ్యాపీ 2 years చాలా బాగా తినగలుగుతుంది. చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. మంచి ట్రీట్మెంట్, మంచి డాక్టర్స్, అందరూ రిసీవింగ్ బాగుంటుంది. అది నాకు చాలా హ్యాపీ అనిపించింది. మా వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా ఈ ఎలిడెంట్కి వెళ్ళడం కూడా చాలా ముగ్గురు కూడా నేను చెప్పాను. ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు తీసుకున్న జాగ్రత్త నాకు బాగా నచ్చింది. చాలా హార్ట్ఫుల్గా, ఫ్రెండ్లీగా, డాక్టర్స్గా కాకుండా ఫ్రెండ్లీగా మాట్లాడతారు. ఫోన్ చేస్తే వెంటనే రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటారు. అది నేను చాలా హ్యాపీ. చరణ్ గారు అయితే వాట్సాప్లో కూడా ఎన్నిసార్లు నాకు గైడ్ చేశారు. అది హ్యాపీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
It gives us immense pleasure to see the patients who come to the hospital with very painful problems leave happily smiling and completely satisfied after the treatment. As doctors, we go home fully satisfied and feeling that we have made someone's life better.
Over the years, Elident Hospitals has been showered with many prestigious awards for our infrastructure, impeccable service, affordable and quality dental care.